Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I'm going to show you what we do after we get done milking the cows in the morning. It's called morning chores. I'll scrape all this up, this whole barnyard, in between these bunks, and then I'll start feeding them. So I'll have to go out here, go get my rig. I think Mark's already got it running for me. We'll go check that out. Mark comes in. One brother's always off. He comes in around 8:30. We're done milking right around there. He warms up this skid steer. New skid steer. Had it for a little while, but it's the first time we've turned it loose into the cow manure. I'm gonna get these forks off, get the tire squeegee on there. I'll show you that in a second. That's new also. I'll show you what I do every day. Let's go. So I get these first two alleys scraped out. That's how I start every day. You see the cows, they just know. I back up here, I'll push this out next, they start funneling in. They've got these bunks pretty well eaten up. That's what I want. I like it when they get it eaten down. I give them the round bale out there for a supplemental to munch on. So now I'll fill these back up. Especially like it like this in the summer, because if you leave that feed in there, it can get a little hot and moldy. Winter's not as bad, but I like knowing that they're cleaning it up, and because feed's so expensive, you don't have that much feed. You can't waste it. You have to almost treat these cows like children. You have to make them eat it, because it's good stuff anyway. Just sometimes they get a little spoiled. Let's start feeding. All right, everything looks like it's fired up. There's your corn silage. I won't let these silos down yet. I'm going to show you exactly haylage coming out, drain. I'll get it rolling first, and then I'll go finish scraping this out. Then I'll come back and let it down. It did get a little cold last night. I'm going to let them silo unloaders start working Then I'll let them down, put the pressure to them. Just let them silos down, let them heat a little more. Look at that. Bunk's filling up pretty decent. I'll flip this plow to the other side, finish filling it. We'll move on. I mean, look at this, they line right up already. They know when it's time to eat, lining right up. Yeah, as you can see, we're getting this pretty well opened up. Cows are waiting patiently for this bunk to get filled. One long alley, got another one to do. I think it's time we go and switch the bunk over and fill this one up. Let's go. Party time. Bunk switched over. Wind's kicking up pretty good. There she is. Now I can get back in the machine while this is going on. Keep on trucking. Yep, got all that cleaned up, starting in on my second bunk. Yeah, this is their favorite time in the morning. Pretty much my favorite time too, is when you got the most energy. They're mowing, I mean, they're what you want. They get done milking, go right to the feed. I just seen Dad come out. Dad's gonna come in with that white tractor, that New Holland spreader. He's gonna back it right in here. I'm going to commence loading him up. I'll have this shut off by then, although I had ran this before while scraping and loading him. I don't recommend it, but I've been doing it so long, it's just what I do. I'll clean the rest of this up. We'll wait for him. let's do it. Okay, at this point in the morning, when I get these cleaned out, I already load Dad one time. There's still another load left. My brother Mark comes out and he'll pull that middle out and get the rest of the slop. Dad's gonna back in again. He's gonna fill him back up. I then come out here, retop these bunks off, and then I'll get out of here and I'll go down and take care of the dry cows. We've been down there lots of times. I showed you all them. But I'll top these back off, and so I can get done up here. I want to get done at this point in the morning. Everybody's been going since before 5. They want to get done, get the cows fed so they can go eat themselves. Got a lot of, you get it done because we want it. You know, guys that work hard, they like to eat. So let's do it. Feeder's on. See if we can't squeeze in here. It's really blowing out there off these roofs. I don't think I can squeeze in on these. I like to get in and get right up here. Sometimes it scares one, but you know what? We gotta sacrifice one or two. I like to see what's going on up here. Hi guys. right, guys, I hope you like my morning chores here. It's just a part of something we do every day. And from here, like I said, I'm going down to do them dry cows and maybe get myself something to eat too. Well, make sure you hit the likes and subscribe buttons down at the bottom. And follow me at Kip Sigler Farming on Instagram. And see you in the next video. Thanks.